Polish Air Force University would like to present the Wojtyla UAV. The Polish Air Force University decided to attempt the following tasks of the competition: the autonomous flight, obstacle avoidance, object detection, classification and localization, and mapping. The team has decided to drop the UGV task due to the fact that there's a huge risk of overload of the UAV if there will be an additional mass attached. The Wojtyla aircraft is able to perform autonomous flight tasks as well as tasks based on location and object detection. All of those are possible due to the fact that UAV Wojtyla is equipped with Pixhawk 4 autopilot and Raspberry Pi system. Those are crucial for autonomous flight and object detection, which is why Polish Air Force University use them and program them in appropriate way. The Polish Air Force Academy team based the core of the UAV on the construction of an X-8 Skywalker aircraft, which is a flying wing. Solution used in Skywalker, with some modifications, turned out to be very accurate and precise in completing assigned task during the competition. The original version of the UAV was put in the SolidWorks program. The team used program to modify and improve the construction so that it would be able to compete in AWS SUAS. The Wojtyla aircraft was tested many times during the design project. We were testing the Wojtyla in SolidWorks as well as during simulations and test flights. After many hours of improving the aircraft construction and programming, and also determining electronics which should be used, the Wojtyla was able to perform fully autonomous flight with autonomous landing, as well as providing a mission in an autonomous mode. The Wojtyla aircraft. However, the system is mature enough to compete in the competitions such as SUAS AUSI. Our 6-person team do their best to prove and to manage the construction and the electronic staff of the aircraft. The Polish Air Force Academy team would like to thank you for your attention.